This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable clamp nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Then flip back the cover and disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Loosen the battery hold-down clamp bolts at the top of the battery, then remove the hold-down clamp. Remove the battery cover. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Install the battery evenly onto the battery tray. Install the battery cover, then the hold-down clamp. Thread in the bolts at each side, then tighten the bolts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nut securely.